Hey, Jimmy with Cuff and Stuff. Man, have we got a good one for you today. We're gonna do something not a whole lot of people know about, but people I talk to say that the flat iron steak rivals the ribeye. It's got marbling all the way through it. It cooks as a tender piece of meat. You can cook it slow, you can grill it, you can do whatever you want to do with it. So this is a good piece of meat. We're gonna try it today. I'm gonna cook it just like I would grill a ribeye on the grill, and without doing anything special to it, we're gonna try it and see how it works out. So, hang tight.
Welcome to Cuff and Stuff.
Okay, well, what we've got today is we've got 3 flat iron steaks. Now, the whole flat iron steak, all 3 of these pieces would about make one. These come off the shoulder, the front shoulder of the cow, sometimes called the clod. Look at the marbling it has on it. This is a very unrecognized steak. I'm gonna take just a little bit of Worcestershire sauce just to help the seasoning stick. What am I using? This is Uncle Steve's SPG. I want to put just a light coat. This has got some coarse ground pepper and salt and of course garlic. And for the second layer, this is smoke bomb. I'm going to put just a little bit of smoke bomb on the top of this. Now this isn't a huge thick piece of meat, so I'm going to be careful how much I put on. Just flip it over. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. Just a little bit of Worcestershire sauce, SPG. Okay. And smoke bomb. All right, so I'm gonna let this hang out for just a minute while I get my grill up to temp, and I'll bring it back. Okay, well, we've got our grill hot. I'm gonna put these down just like this. You notice I've got a 2-zone fire. I'm gonna start off on the hot zone. I'm gonna go 2 minutes. They're real small, so I'm going 2 minutes. All right, that's 2 minutes. I'm gonna take and go 90 degrees. Make that pretty little checkerboard pattern. And we're gonna go 2 more minutes. Alexa, set timer for 2 minutes. Okay, well, let's see where we are. About 110. All right. 110, 115. Let's turn this steak over. Look at that. Is that a pretty char or what? Hot. Hot, 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 hot. All right, we're gonna go just another minute, and then we're gonna take those off because they should be right in the neighborhood. So that's when I'll bring you back. All right, that's another minute. Let's see what we got. 131, 132, 132. That's just right for me. Let's take it off. We're gonna cover it up, let it rest, let those juices go back into the meat, and then we're gonna bring you back because we're gonna slice it and we're gonna try it. Okay, well, here we go. We've let this rest about 10 minutes, okay? And I'm gonna set this over here, and I'm gonna take this piece out. I have two others, but I'm gonna take, and the grain is running that way, so I'm gonna cut it at a skew, and I'm gonna cut it fairly thin. These are not terribly big pieces of meat. But let's slice this and see. All right, as far as I'm concerned, that's perfect medium rare. All right, it feels like it's tender. Only one thing to do. Let's go in. It's tender. It's got a big beef flavor. I'm going here. Flat iron steak. Man, this is good. And I mean, it's tender. It's got that big beef flavor to it. That's a good steak. I'm gonna have to agree with them. There we go. There are the other two pieces of meat, or the other two steaks actually. That is delicious. Listen, folks, I don't know whether you'll be able to find flat iron steak. It's not that easy to find, but it's cheaper. And does it rival a ribeye? Yeah, it does. That's, oh my goodness, that's a great piece of steak. All right, I do love my steak. Cook it like that, grill it, pay attention to what you're doing, pay attention to your temperature, and you're gonna have a great steak on your hands for not a whole lot of money. Hey, listen, thanks for sticking around, seeing how my flat iron steak would turn out. I appreciate it. If you haven't already, how about hit the circle on this side, subscribe so you don't miss anything. Go back and look. We've cooked all kind of things and still at it. I'll have another video just for you right over here. How about hit that thumbs up? I sure would appreciate it. None of that will cost you a dime. Hey, listen, until next time, hang tight, and most definitely, be good to one another. Hang tight.